everyone and welcome to the channel Jazzy Joe. Hello Joe, welcome to the channel Jazzy Joe. So today we are going to be asking you some questions about your channel. Are you ready? Are you nervous? Yes, I am just a little bit, but not just about this video, but about my channel in general, because it indeed is a very big leap in my life, and I have been discussing about my dream of becoming a YouTuber to my friends and family, and they are like, hey, we have heard enough about your dream, so go ahead and do it because you really have it in you and you must do it. And here I am trying to fulfill my dream, and but at the same time it makes me a bit nervous because I think I have a lot of expectations to meet, but at the same time I've got lots of positive pressure and motivation from my friends, so that gives me a lot of strength. Oh Joe, that's great. I'm sure you'll do amazing. So let's talk a little bit more about your channel. Your channel has got a very interesting name, Jazzy Joe. So how did you come to this name? What was the idea behind it? Well, thanks for asking this question. Joe is my name, so that's that. And I wanted to create something fun which is easy to remember. So I was playing around with Jovius Joe or Jovial Joe, Jade Joe, and names around it, but nothing was making complete sense. And then I thought about Jazzy Joe and it immediately clicked, and I was really happy to find this name. Obviously, jazzy's got nothing to do with music, jazz or rap. It's got a very beautiful meaning behind it, and it sounds great. It reflects the theme of my channel, so Jazzy Joe it is. Well, that's indeed a nice name, Jazzy Joe. We can remember that. So let's talk about the theme. So what is the theme of the channel? My channel would mostly be about fashion for the woman on the go. She's got really less time on her hands. She's got tons of boxes to tick in the day, and she's got loads of responsibilities. So I want to create looks that are easy to pull off, the looks that are easy to create and still look great. I would like to talk about the things that I buy and share my experience about them. I would like to cover beauty on my channel. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm definitely a makeup junkie, and I've got tons of things and products, and I know what works, so I would like to share those ideas with you. Then it's travel, because I travel a lot personally and also from work. So I have gathered a lot of ideas, and there are tons of tips and tricks on my list that I would like to share. And lifestyle would be another interesting section, because I am a bit into spirituality and philosophy, and you will see the traces of them here and there on my channel, but I will try to wrap it all up in lots of fun. Well, that's great for a theme, but this is not what your professional field is. You work in IT, and it's heard that IT people haven't got much fashion. They are usually seen in jeans and t-shirts and very laid back, and they work in -1. And this is also saying, I'm not saying it, but this is also saying that women working in IT do not do much fashion, or do not know much fashion. How true is that? And that's exactly the stereotype that I want to break. I work in IT and I'm into fashion, so let's take that IT women are not fashionable myth and that stereotype and break it. On a serious note, I really thought a lot about what could be my channel about. And I work in a fintech company. If I started talking about financial markets or investment strategies, it will sound like financial advice, which I'm not allowed to give. Then I work in IT department of that fintech company. I could be doing videos about coding, testing, automation, script writing, but then it's like work. I am working in IT, and then also work after work. It's not gonna be fun. So that was also a no-go. Then I thought, what else am I really passionate about? I spend my time, energy and money on, and I can talk about, and that's when I knew what should be the theme of my channel. Despite the fact that this space is very crowded, I am sure that somebody will support me. At least women working in IT will support me, because we have to break that stereotype together. Cool, so how often can we expect the videos, and what else can we expect from the channel? I would like to post at least one video every week. I work 100% and I have an active social life that I would like to maintain. So it is challenging, but I'm sure I can do it. What else would be on my channel? There would be lots of giveaways. I love to give gifts, and I am hoping to make a lot of friends on YouTube. So whenever I'll hit milestones, I will do giveaways like really good luxury giveaways and very good giveaways. So that would be a lot of fun. Lovely. I can't wait to see the videos, and I'm sure you're thinking the same. So do subscribe to this channel Jazzy Joe to subscribe to tons of fun in store for you. And if you like this introduction video style, do hit on the like button to let us know. Thanks for watching.
Ciao.
Ciao.